a Java Collections framework and its hierarchy. Well, Java Collections is a framework that provides pre-built data structures for storing and managing data efficiently. This Java Collections framework includes interfaces, implementations, and utility classes. So instead of manually managing the arrays, Java Collections provides dynamic, flexible, and optimized inbuilt data structures. Now let us take a look into the Java Collections framework hierarchy. So if you can look at this diagram over here, this diagram represents a Java Collection framework hierarchy. And at the top you can see the iterable interface. So iterable is an interface that represents a collection of elements that can be iterated over, meaning you can access the elements one by one. And this iterable interface provides the capability of iteration or looping for all the extended collections. And here we have a collection interface. So collection interface is a main interface. It is a root interface in the Java Collections framework hierarchy. A collection basically represents a group of objects known as elements, and this collection interface contains all the common methods that can be accessed by the extended interfaces. Next, here we have a list interface. List interface extends a collection interface, and this list interface represents ordered collection of elements that can allow the duplicate elements. And list interface has the common implementations like array list, linked list, vector. And here we have a set. Set interface extends collection interface. Set represents unordered collection of unique elements. It means set does not allow the duplicate elements. And here you can see set interface has the common implementations like hasSet, linked hasSet. And here we have a sorted set interface that extends set interface. So this sorted set interface contains the elements that are in a ascending order, and this treeset class implements this sorted set interface. Next, here we have a queue interface that extends collection interface. This queue represents a collection that follows first in first order. This queue interface has the common implementations such as priority queue and linked list. And here we have a dequeue interface. The dequeue extends the queue interface. It is a double-ended queue that allows adding and removing elements from both the ends. The common implementations of dequeue interface are array dequeue and linked list. And here we have a blocking queue that extends queue interface. And the common implementations of blocking queue interface are array blocking queue and linked blocking queue. Next, here we have a map hierarchy. Well, map does not extend the collection interface, but it is considered as a part of the collections framework. This map represents a collection of key value pairs. This map interface has a common implementations such as hash map, linked hash map, and hash table. Hash table is a legacy class. Next, here we have a sorted map interface that extends map interface. In a sorted map interface, the keys are sorted in an ascending order. And this sorted map interface has the implementation called tree map. So this is the complete hierarchy of collections framework. Next, in this collections framework, you can see the legacy classes, hash table, vector, stack. So these are the legacy classes, and these are the rarely used in a Java development. So this is how the Java collections framework looks at a high level. Alright, great. I will see you in the next lecture.